Okay, so here we are back in Prague for our last day. There was another market. We took a nice little walk along the river to find this cool old cemetery, and this is actually somebody's house, like just some random person's house. And they're obsessed with beaches. There's like these little beaches everywhere in Prague. It's very interesting. I guess it's different for us because we just live where there is a beach. But here's us enjoying our morning. We finally made it to the top of this massive hill to the Vyšehrad Cemetery. This is the church, and it is a Art Nouveau church, which I've actually never seen in person before. The art in here was absolutely stunning. I could have sat in here and taken pictures of this all day long. This is kind of like early 19th century art, but it's really unique to see this inside of a church because most churches have art that's a little bit older. So here we are again, looking pretty cute. Some more relics, it's not a Catholic church without some relics. And this might be the biggest reliquary I've ever seen. There were so many relics in this one, and they were all labeled. Then we went outside of the church and checked out the cemetery. It was really beautiful. And we kept seeing Rodina on all of the graves, and I finally realized that that means family. So there you go, a little bit of Czech knowledge for you. My grandma's name is actually Robina, so it really confused me for a little bit. This little plot looked like a vegetable garden, which I thought was interesting. There were some really interesting graves in this little graveyard. It wasn't huge, but like this one with skis, just kind of, I don't know, something kind of quirky, and lots of pretty little things to look at. Then we got lunch at a little spot right outside of the graveyard, and there were bees. There were so many bees. So we went inside to eat, and I had this little quiche that was absolutely delicious. And the bees followed us inside. Apparently, they like the sugar. And this place was an American classic in the mall there that I have never heard of, so apparently it's not that classic. These are little open-faced sandwiches. These are really popular in Prague. I did not eat them. I also did not eat from this Asian place, but look, their menu, it actually steams. The food on the menu steams, which I thought was really cool. Then after the mall, we went back to our hotel, but we stopped at this little hillside to have a little view. Oh yeah, I forgot. We also went to this cemetery. This was the Olsany Cemetery, and this is known for the Olsany vampire, the bloody knee vampire. So apparently there's a vampire that stays at this cemetery, and if you fall and hit your knee, he comes and just licks the blood off of your bloody knee. Kind of the most anticlimactic of the vampires, but still a funny little bit of lore from the cemetery. Here's just some fun pictures. We like to just be dorks in cemeteries because, I don't know, it's what we do. Some people like to sit on a beach and drink a tropical drink, and we like to be dorks in a cemetery. And James has the little clicker, so he always takes these pictures of me in weird, compromising positions. And yeah, the cemetery was really cool. It was beautiful. It was actually huge. We didn't even get to see most of it. But again, James had the clicker, so he just takes these pictures of us being ridiculous. So this was our last day in Prague, and stay tuned for the next day in this trip. We actually headed to Vienna, but not before. We got a funnel cake, which was absolutely incredibly delicious and no regrets.